Good morning. We're just heading from Largs across to Arran, and I'm hoping to get to Gigha this time. I've taken a few days off work and the plan is to get round the corner, around the Mull of Kintyre to Gigha. Weather's looking okay. It's been a little bit damp this morning, but hopefully the sun will be out later on. So we're just heading across. We'll be passing Holy Isle, round past Pladda and across to Sanda. So the wind has dropped completely, absolutely no wind. The sails are just flogging, so I've put them away and we're on the motor. And there's still a bit of a swell coming in from the Atlantic, so it's actually a bit rolly, a bit lumpy, and we're only doing about 4 knots, so a little bit slow going, but it's brightening up, which is good because it was pouring with rain this morning and I was soaked before 8 o'clock. So the sun is coming out, it's warming up, and I'm starting to dry out. And we are just coming up, we're really just going past Brodick actually on Arran. A little bit of breeze again, so sails are back up. It's drying out. I've put my thermals on because it's a little bit chilly. It's August in Scotland. Got to have your thermals on. It's only 9:30. And we're just coming past Holy Isle. So might have to motor sail a bit later, but the forecast was for the breeze to pick up, so hopefully we'll get more of a sail down round to Arran. And I've decided to go to Campbeltown tonight. I could go to Sanda Island or Campbeltown. I've not 100% decided yet, but I think it might just be easier to go to Campbeltown, get an electricity supply and a pontoon. So I think that's what we're going to be doing, and the sun is going to be out any minute. I'll show you Holy Isle. we're back under sail, just coming along the south coast of Arran, and behind me is Campbeltown, so we're heading pretty much straight for Campbeltown Loch. And actually you can see Isla and Jura and Sanda just on the horizon. You won't pick them up in this camera, I don't think, so that's quite nice. And it's probably about 3 hours along to Campbeltown. Hopefully we'll get a sail all the way. We're very close to the wind because it's a westerly, so we're just doing about 5 knots, which is perfect, and the sun's out. So we're just coming past Lagg Distillery on the south coast of Arran, so that's the new one. I think it's the same as the Arran Distillery up at Loch Ranza, same owner, so that might be worth a visit at some point. And the conditions are now perfect. We're going as close to wind as we can. There's about 10 knots of breeze and we're doing 4.5 knots. We're pointed straight for Campbeltown Loch, and we've got a lovely view just off to the sort of southwest of Sanda, and you can see Isla in the background, and I actually think you can possibly see Jura as well. And then we've got Ailsa Craig over there. So really idyllic. Looking forward to getting to Campbeltown, getting on the pontoon hopefully, and getting some rest. Early start in the morning for going to Gigha.
Good hand, mate.
You alright there? Yeah, you alright, yeah? Alright. So safely on the pontoons at Campbeltown, and a brilliant day's sailing. It got really nice from Pladda across, just catching that westerly, full sails, lovely sailing, and sunshine was out, nice and warm. So tomorrow plan is to go to Gigha, be leaving about 8 o'clock in the morning, get to Sanda around 11ish, I think is good for the tide, and hopefully get up to Gigha tomorrow. So, hope you can join me in the next episode. Thanks for watching.